Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday 10 March 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 4, number 17, number 32, number 27, number 43, booster number 8, UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49 3 hot number. Join now. Today UK 49 tea time prediction number 5, number 18, number 29, number 35, number 46, booster number 15. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment.